Hi everyone, this is Jenny. I'm going to give you a brief tour of just a few features of Moodle. So I've gone to moodlecloud.com. I've created an account and I have created a course within Moodle. Here we are on my home page. Let's go to the dashboard for a minute so I can show you how I created the course or where I did. So if we scroll down under Site Administration, have those menu items come up. We find courses, click on that, go to Manage Courses and Categories, and here we see under Miscellaneous, Create a New Course. You click on this and immediately you get a template where you put in all your basic information. I think it's a little bit odd that it's called Miscellaneous, but anyway, that's how you do it. So let's go back to my home page. And here you see the test course that I set up. Let's open it up. Scrolling down, you can see here that I've organized the course by weeks. Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, Week 4, and Week 5. And to Week 1, I've added some activities. Moodle gives you the option to organize courses by week, by topic. You type your title in here, Week 1, or you can type dates or by topic. You can edit this anytime you want by just using this edit feature, which is very easy. You can also go in and edit various features of your course this way. You can see to Week 1 I've added an assignment, which is for students to create a screenshot, a discussion, and the discussion prompt shows up here, and a quiz. You can have these all the activities that you've added to your week show up when students go to the course, or you can have them hidden. I have them showing here so that you can see what it looks like. Let's scroll down to Week 2 and we'll add an activity. So this is very easy to do. You just click on Add an Activity or Resource. You get a large menu of many different types of activities. You can see here assignment, chat, feedback tool, discussion forum, a lesson, a quiz, etc. There's also an area where you can choose to add many different types of resources. I haven't explored all of these yet, but I have explored some of the main ones to compare them to Blackboard. You remember that I added to my Week 1 an assignment, a discussion forum, and a quiz. Let's try adding the discussion forum. So we select an activity. Immediately when we do that, Moodle gives us a succinct and really useful description of what this type of activity is and what you can do with it. If you want even more information than this, you can get it immediately. A window pops up here where it describes the activity, and it explains to you different ways that you can use it in your course, and they give you screenshots here for how it might set up and what it looks like when student ads post. I thought this was a fantastic feature. Let's close that out. So we've read through this. We've decided, yes, I do want to add a discussion forum. Let's add it down here by clicking on Add. This opens up options for how we want to shape our forum. Let's give it a name. Here we put our discussion prompt. Let's scroll down, and here we can choose to have this display when students open up the course, as I had them displayed in Week 1. Let's choose that. You can then there are many options here for how you choose to set this up. Let's just look at one of them. You can students can attach a maximum size of an attachment. You can limit the number of attachments. You can have it display the word count as students are writing or not, etc. Lots of options for shaping this. Please excuse the phone ringing. So as you can see, there are many options here for how you can choose to set up your forum. Let us save this here by clicking on Save, and we'll return to the course to see what it looks like. It's not working. Oh, there we go. It was just a little bit slow. Now we can see we're back here to my course. There's week 1 with the activities I added, and here is week 2 with the discussion prompt added. I thought I chose to show you some of the options for the discussion prompt because when I went into Moodle, I was reminded of the article that we read this week that points out that learning management systems often have an implicit learning theory kind of embedded in the way that they're set up, and that Moodle is shaped around a constructivist theory of learning, and it therefore has many options to enable learners to connect with and learn from each other. And I thought the options for setting up different types of discussions, which with my limited experience in Blackboard, this seems to offer more, was an example of that sort of underlying constructivist learning theory that shapes what you can do in Moodle. I believe I've come to at least 5 minutes, and this is now my 3rd or 4th attempt to do this screen cast. So I'm going to stop here. Thank you for joining me on this brief tour of a few features of Moodle.